Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove speed dial number in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using S26 Ultra and you want to remove your speed dial number, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your phone app. Now once you are in phone app, you must get the three dots at the top right. Just click on three dots and here just click on speed dial numbers and you might see your speed dial numbers here. You just have to select anyone which you want to remove. So let's say I'm gonna remove this one. You might see a negative icon here. Just click on it and your number will be removed. So you can do same for all to remove all. If you want to add, just click on the contact icon here and just select the number you want to add. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have added, you can change your number from here, or you can also click on this arrow icon and just select the your speed number you want to set. So in this way, you can easily add or remove speed numbers in your S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.